right, hey everybody, welcome to Yeah Buddy. Today I am going to show you how to turn off this pesky clean filter light on your LG air conditioning unit. I'm sure a lot of them operate pretty similarly. First, what I'm going to do is try to turn off the actual unit. Let's leave it on dry so it's a little quieter. Maybe I won't. Okay, well, whatever. Well, what you're going to probably want to do is clean out your filter before you do this. I cleaned mine out, I don't know, a month ago, so I'm not really interested in cleaning that out just now. But it's actually very simple. Very simple to get this light off. All you do is hold the down button and the up button for temperature at the same time. So let's try it. Boom! No problem. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching.